So till now what we have discussed, let's just write it. First one being, the important one is successive change of markup percent and discount is equal to profit or loss percentage. And then we find the, if it's in the percentage terms, then we find a formula also, a plus b plus ab by 100 when it's in percentage. And the second thing we find out, if it's in the fractional terms, a dash b dash plus a dash plus b dash in percentage. After this, what we find, we also find c by m equal to cross multiplication. In markup it will be always discount, so 100 minus d percent. Okay, and in cost it will be cross multiplication, so profit percentage. And in the third one, which is ratio, we understand ratio. And ratio, what actually means to solve the question in the terms of CNS. So this was all we learned in the previous class. Let's just revise also, then we will find. So yeah, these are the basic things. Successive one, we learned first thing. After that we derive one formula, that one is this one. We derive this formula as well, and we derive one more formula, that is m by c equal to either m by c or c by m, doesn't matter, but then this will also be get inverse. So then uses of ratio, and we solve one question. So till now we have done these three important things. So let's just give it some good, let me write here important. Important formula. So then there is one question, let's try to solve it. The question is, shopkeeper gave a discount of, so discount percentage is given, it is 42.84%, and profit is given as 40%. So first, what is markup percentage? So to find the markup percentage, c by s equal to, no, c by m. So 100 minus d, 100 minus d is how much? This will be becoming 51.16, uh, 57, yeah, 57.16 divided by 60%. So from here if I try to find, I can find the value of mark price as, the value of mark price will be 60c upon 57 upon 57.16. okay, so this is the value of mark price. So the markup percentage is how much? It is, the formula of markup percentage is with the help of markup price minus cost price upon cost price into 100. This is our formula. So if I keep here, it will be how much? It will be becoming, this minus of this is c, so 57.16 will be removed, which will be coming 2.84 upon 57, yes, 57.16 into 100. So we need to find some approximate value for this question. Okay, 1% is 2.716, 5.716. 0.5 percentage will be 2.608. So this will be how much is left if 2.608 or 61, let's take 61 also, then how much is left? 0.23. so that is approximately 1. So 0.51% will be my markup price percentage. 1% is 5, 0.5% is this one. The second question is, if he gives a discount of 37, so the discount is changing now to 37.5%. The discount is changing to 37, but then what is the profit percentage? So the discount is changing, so can we use the same formula? Okay, so from the beginning I can find the C by M ratio as 57.16 upon 60 equal to 100 minus D 37.5 upon 100 plus P, right? Wait, I made a mistake over here. So if he made a profit, it will be 140, and here also 140. If that is 140, then this place will be how much? 57. So 2.84 will make it 60, 70, 72. That's all. Yeah, 72. For 72, I know it's 100%. 100% plus 57. 57, 360. 60 plus 10, 15. So 1% is 5.7. So 2% will be 11.4, and 3% will be 17.1, and we want 15.68, so it will be something like 2.8. so it will be 100, 2.8 percentage as markup percentage. And from the beginning we could find the ratio as 57.16 divided by 140. So 100 plus profit is P. So the 1% is no, it's not 1%. It's 10% actually. One mistake, I did 10%, 20%, so 30% is this much. 30% is this much. So something 40%, it will be something like this, and 40% it will be how much? No, 30%, right? 28%, 128%. Okay, so 57.6 upon 140 is equal to, it will be 60. I can say that 37.5, if I use fractional value over here, so 37.5 is 3 by 5, so if I 3 by 8, so it will be 5 by 8, 5 by 8, and it will be 1 plus, here p was in percentage, and here p is in fraction, so I just divided everything by 100 by 100. Okay, so that's how I came to this conclusion. So 1 plus p, if I try to reduce it to fractional terms, will it be possible? So 49, 56, no, it's not possible. Okay, let's bring it into decimal terms. It will be 0.411, right? If I divide it, one plus p equal to 5 by 8, so 0.411 into 1 plus p, so it can be written as 62.5, so 0.625, 1 plus p 0.625 upon 0.411. Calculation so much, which means there is some shortcut way which I could not able to understand. So it's point something, 0.6666. Yeah, no, it's 4 to 1.5. I suppose something 1.5, 1 plus p, how much it will be? So 1 is 411 will be gone, then how much will be? 214 is left, so 411 half will be how much? 205 approximately, so I can say it is 1.5. so my p will be approximately 50%, but then I want to find the value at least one digit after one place after the this one, like unit place. So 411 is 205, so how much is 20? Yeah, 205, not 205, 205, yeah, it's fine, 205. How much is left? 9. Yeah, approximately 50% only. It will be something around 50%. And the third question is, if the discount is given, third question being, if the discount given is 90.7 more than the profit made. So if my profit is p, then my discount will be 90, how much? If the discount is given is 97.5, 97.5 more than the profit made, find the selling price. So my selling price speed is how much? So if my profit is this much, so okay, if my profit is this much, so CP, MP and SP, let's try to use some ratio if we can. So if my profit is this much, if this is called as my profit, and discount is difference between this much is p plus 97.5, so my selling price is how much? That's the thing, and we have to make sure if my profit is changing, profit and discount, so markup price, which formula will be if the shopkeeper get a discount of making a profit? So if the discount is more, If the discount is more than the profit, how will he going to if discount is more, then the market price would be so high. In this case, how to take the value? In this is a case maintaining when discount is 42.84%, right? Discount is 42.84 and the profit is 40%. The profit being 40%. So with the help of this one, I can find the markup price, right? So my cost price or market price will be CP upon MP will be in the ratio of CP upon MP 57.16 upon 140. So CP upon MP, the ratio I came out. So if I suppose CP as 57.16, my markup price will be 140. So profit, how much profit should I take? How much profit should I take? So profit at 57. So the thing is 57.16 plus P equal to selling price, and that selling price is selling price markup price now. So equal to 140 minus P minus 97.5. That will be our selling price. So first of all, we have to find the value of profit. So 2P will be 140 minus 97.5 minus 57.16. So our 2P will be equal to, so summation of this one will be 7, 7, 14, 10, 154. How come? 0.66. 154, it's in the negative terms. It's in the negative terms. So I think I cannot just take this value. I need to take the multiple of this value. Even if I take the multiple of this value, 140 into 2, 5700, yes. So this value 280 minus 100 minus 97. No, that's quite wrong. We cannot take. So I can rewrite this as SP minus P upon SP minus P, right? Of course. This is also not happening. Okay, I could not solve. Let's see what are the other methods to solve this question. So we were solving this question, and this is a wrong method to solve because the p-value I'm getting in the minus terms, which is of course wrong. So just first of all check out here. I did one blunder again here. This blunder is this one. How is it blunder? Because market price minus this one will be 140C upon 57.16 minus C. So it will be becoming 82.84 divided by 57.16 C. I wrote here 72. So the first mistake. Second one, in the calculation part, it's correct, but I should take one more digit. If I take one more digit, it will somehow come to 2, and this profit will be becoming 52%. And the third one is wrong only. The whole concept of solving in this way is wrong. We will try second approach or second way to solve this question. So again, I will copy the question. Okay, so the question is copied. The one thing is, shopkeeper gave a discount of 42.84% and a profit of 40%. So 40% is 2 by 5, but 42.84, if we see it, it's nothing but 3 into 14.28%, and 3.28 is nothing but 3 by 7. So if we could get this value in the beginning, it would be easy for us to solve. So now we know this value. The formula which I remember earlier, that is C upon M equal to, if M is here, so here will be 100 minus discount, and here C is there, so 100 plus profit. So this is when the D and P are in the percentage terms, and this is what we did earlier. In the percentage term we tried to solve but in percentage it was taking so much of time. So now we will try to solve in the form of fraction. So fraction is nothing but divided by 100, you will get a fraction terms. So if I divide both sides by 100, it will be, both side means that numerator and denominator by 100, so it will be becoming 1 minus D upon 1 plus P in the fractional terms. So my C by M will be becoming 1 minus, how much is D? 3 by 7, and 1 plus P is how much? 2 by 5. So it will be becoming how much? 1 minus 3 by 7, 4 by 7 into then here it will be 5 plus 2, 7 by 5. So here will be 5 and here will be 7. It will be 20 upon 49. So now I know my C and M. So my C and M. So if my C is, just take 20x, then my M will be 49x. Okay. So what was the question asked? What is the markup percentage? So the first question is markup percentage. So it's fine if this is the case. So markup percentage is calculated based on cost. So for the simplicity of the question, I can rewrite it as 100x, and here also I will multiply by 5 because I can do anything if it's ratio x1 x2 anything. So 15 to 5, 250, 250 minus 5 is 245, 245x. So markup percentage will be 145%. How 145? 245 initial was what is the markup? Markup value will be 245 minus 100, 145 upon 100. So it will be, markup percentage will be 145%. So this question also solved. What is the next question? If he gives a discount of 37.5, then what will be his profit percentage? So now the discount is 37.5. So 37.5, we already know what is the meaning of 37.5 is 12.5 into 3. 12.5 into 3, 5 3 is 15, carry 1, 12 3 is 36 plus 1, 37. And 12.5% is how much? 1 by 8. So it will be coming 3 by 8. Now what's happening, that if I take this case only, like my C considering my C as 100x. Okay, and if he gives a discount of 37.5, then what will be his profit? So right now, what is the markup price? My markup price was, according to this question, was 245x. 245x. Now what is showing in this one? That he is giving a discount of 37.5% discount. So multiply by 3 by 8, so it will be 245. So my selling price will be 245 into 5 by 8 x. So 8 3 ja 240, 8 3 ja 24 plus 30, and 5 will be 6, 8 5 8 8 7 ja 8 8 6 6 48 625 30.625 into 5, so it will be how much? So 150 125 या 25 125 carry 1 30 31 3 5 15 153.125 x something. Okay, 153. My initial cost was 100 and I sold at 153, so my profit percentage will be 53.125%. Answer. So my second one is also, so my first one is 145, right? So the first one answer is 145%. Second one was how much? 53.125%. And my third question is, if the discount given is 97.5% more than the profit made, so find the selling price. So now there is a numerical value for these things, that we are getting these things, and for that we are getting a numerical value which will tell us what is the exactly selling price. Okay, great. So let's take the same example. Let's take the same example from here, because it's a continuation of the same question. So our C, mark price, and SP, my cost was 100x, this is 245x, and my selling price was how much? Selling price was 40% made profit, na? So 40% made profit, so 100x, so it will be 140x. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now the question, if the discount given is 97.5 more than the profit made, so the profit is, here the profit is how much? Profit is 40x, and discount is 245 minus this one, so 105x. So difference of both of them is 105x minus 40x is nothing but 97.5. So it will be how much? 65x equal to 97.5. My value of x is 97.5 divided by 65. So 16 5 ja 16, 7 ja 7 point 13 91. So carry 6 5, so 5. Okay, so it will be eventually becoming, if I divide by 5, it will be becoming how much? So the value of x will be 1.5. Okay, and what is the question asking? Find the selling price. So my selling price is how much? 140x. So my SP 140 into 1.5. So half of 40 70, so it will be 210. So the answer of this question is 210. Where is the value? Yeah, the answer of this question is 210. So this question is done. Okay, this is the next question which we will try to solve. So CP of 92 orange is equal to SP of 78 orange. Okay, so okay, and the discount of 36 orange equal to profit of 28 oranges. Okay, so to find the difference of profit and discount, markup percentage and profit. Okay, so the ratio of CP and SP is given. So let's suppose the cost price of one orange is C. So cost price of 92 orange is 92 C equal to 78 SP. Okay, will it be divisible by anything? Okay, let's divide. This will be 46, this will be 39. Okay, so indirectly I can say this value also. And at the same time, there is one more value which I am getting, that is discount on 36 orange. So let's suppose discount of one orange is D. So 36 D equal to 28 O. Again, 4 it will be divisible. 9 discount of 9 equal to 7. Profit, sorry, oh no, not profit, it is a profit. Okay, find the profit, find the difference between the profit percentage find the difference of the profit percentage and discount percentage. So so discount percentage and profit percentage. What I can say is, in this case, my cost price is 39 upon 46 S. So my cost price is less and my selling price is high, so my profit percentage will be going to be, my cost is this one and selling price is this one. Okay, so let's make it little bit easy. Selling price of 1 will be how much? Selling price of 1 will be becoming 46 upon 39 C. So selling price minus cost price is profit, so it will be 7 upon 39 C divisible 100. So this will be going away. So yeah, so now profit will be coming 10% is 3.9. And how much is left? 3.1 is left. 3.1 is left. So, and if I take 8%, why 2? Because 3.9, if I take as 4 also, 4 into 8, 32. So it will be 32 minus, yeah, something about 18 or 19%. 19% will be the nearest value. 19 or 18%. So my profit percentage I have got. Now the question is discount percentage. How to find the discount percentage? So suppose if I'm selling if I'm selling 46 na, when I'm selling 46 C, or let's just discount percentage, how to find now? So there's one more way. Profit percentage is this much, and my profit will be the value in the numerical form is 7 upon 39C. If I use over here, then discount will be in the form of 7P upon 9. So eventually it will be becoming my discount will be becoming 49C upon 39. My discount. This will be my discount. So once I find out my discount, so discount is done on the markup price, right? Discount is done on the markup price. So if my discount is this, I'm selling is as 1S. My selling is my selling price of 1 is this much, and discount of 1 is this much. 46, 49. Okay, how can I am in the loss? My discount will here will be 9, right? So if I P replace it, 39 into 9. So my markup price will be going to be 46 C upon 39 minus of 49 C upon 39 into 9. So it will be eventually 39 into 9. 46 into 9 C minus 49. Oh wait, 46 now. Mistake is done on these things only. So eventually my mark price will be becoming 39 into 9. Here 46 into 9 minus 49. So that's kind of tricky. So 460 minus 46. 460 minus 46. So 46 plus 4 is 50, 40. So 414. 414 is this one. 414 minus 50. If I remove 50 from 414, so if I remove 50, so 400 minus 36, 414 36 to 35, right? $35 if I remove, then it will be 400 minus 35, 365. Yeah, 365C. So my discount percentage will be how much? So my discount percentage, it will be discount, that is 49C upon 39 into 9 multiply by 39 into 9 divided by 365c into 100. This will vanish away, this will vanish away. Again my 10% is 36.5, so how much is left? 3.5, right? If I add 3.5, then it will be 40. So now it will be 12.5. So 1 by 3, if I choose 1 by 3 is 3%. 1% is 3.6, so 3% will be 12 point something. How much will my profit? Profit was coming to at 14%. This one is coming at 'So my mark price, wait, I did some mistake. My mark price will be more now. Here is the conceptual mistake. I'm doing blunder. Here it should be plus. Instead of 365, it will be, even though the summation is correct, it would be 463c. And here it won't be 365, it will be 463. So 463. So my 10% will be becoming 46.3. My 10% will be 46.3. So how much is left? 747.75. Then it will become 47. So 2.7. This is 2.3. This will be 1% is 4.6. So half of 1% is 5%. 5% is 2.3. So I need, so it will be approximately 6%. So my discount percent is 10.6%. So my first answer will going to become 18% minus 10.6%. So it will be eventually becoming 7 minus 0.6 is 6.4%. Will be the answer of the first question. 6.4%. Markup price and profit. So markup percentage, right? Second question will be markup percentage. Markup percentage, how much markup is done? So the markup percentage is done on the profit, right? So my markup value is this much. So my markup value is this much. Okay, I suppose I need to multiply now. So markup percentage, markup value minus cost price upon cost price. So CC will be going away, but there is one more thing. 413, right? Markup is 463. 463 upon 39 into 9 C minus C upon C into 100. So 390 minus 39. So 41, if I add 40, 140, 40 plus 50, 41. So it will be 341. Wait, 351, no? 351. So it will be becoming 351 upon 351 minus 9, it will be divided by 351 into 100, and if I have to remove 351, so 49 if I add, then it will be 400. So 49 plus 3 is 52, 52 plus 60 is 112. So in the percentage terms, it will be how much? So again 30%, or so 33% will be how much? 1 7, and it's how much less? 5 less. So 5 less is how much? Approximately 1% is how much? 1% is 3.5. So it will be something 32.32. Percentage approximately. And the second question is markup percentage minus profit. Profit is 18. So markup percentage minus profit is 32% minus 18%. So 18 plus 12, 30. So 14% is the answer. So again the same type of question, but in this time we'll try to solve it fast because now we understood the concept. So now we have to improve on our time. 54 mangoes cost, so 54 C cost equal to 42 S. Okay, and I can write it as 27, and it will be 21. So it will be 9 3 ja 9 7 ja. Okay, so 9C equal to 7S. Okay, and here it is written as 20D equal to 15P. So how much it will be? It will be 4D equal to 3P, right? 4D equal to 3P. So I can write as C upon S. C upon S is 7 upon 9, and D upon P equal to 3 upon 4. Okay, so my C, S and M mark price. Okay, if my cost price 7, selling is 9, so my profit is 2, and I want my profit to be 4. So what I will do, I will multiply this with 2. It will be becoming 14. It will be becoming 18. So now my profit is 2. If my profit is 2, my discount is how much? 3. So at what place I would have sold? 21. My question is profit percentage. So profit percentage is 4 by, because here is profit is 4 by 14 into 100. So it will be 2 by 7. 7 is 14.28. So it will be 28.56%. And my, what is the next thing? Discount, right? Discount percentage will be how much? Discount is giving 3. The discount is given as 3 on 21 into 100. So this is 1 by 7, 14.28. So the difference is 14.28% for this question. So the discount will be 14.28%. So this is the next question which we are going to solve. An article is marked up at X percentage. Okay, so cost marked and sold. So X percentage. Okay, X percentage markup by X percentage, then the discount was X by 4% is given, and the profit was X by 4% is made. Okay, if the article is markup by X by 2% and X by 6% discount given, then the profit percentage is what the question is asking. Okay, so X percentage, we are not sure about the value of X percentage, but X percentage is what the marked price. So if I take it 100, so it will be 100 plus X, my marked price, right? And it is said that X by 4 is the profit percentage made. So my selling price will be 100 plus X percentage X by 4. Yeah. And it is also said that the discount is X by 4. So my discount will be, my discount with this formula I can see is 100 plus X by 4. Okay, so 100 plus X by 4, let's take it 100y. Okay, otherwise it will be kind of 100y, and here it will be 100y. Here also it will be becoming 100y. So selling price minus market price, so 100y plus X divided by market price, this will be 100y plus X. This is equal to again X by 4 itself, X by 4 itself. So what I can say over here, sell price minus market price. So sell price is, okay, so this 100 by 100y will go away. It will be minus 3x upon 4 minus, yeah, this will be minus, so it is a loss. So if marked by 8x percentage and the discount of X by 4, so 100y, if I see in that case, if 100x is the cost price, so X price, X percentage will be how much? X percentage will be, X percentage will be XY na. Here also Y will come, 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 Y will come, here also Y will come. But again, no, here also X by Y will not come, here only X will come. X by 4%, X by Y. So this is a minus value, I'm not getting it. If 100y is my cost price and the marked is X price, so 100y into X by 100, 100 will go away, xy is what the marked up by X percentage. So marked up by 1 X percentage, it means increased by X percentage. That's what this actually that's what this mean. And then what is happening after this is X by 4 is the profit made, so 100 y into X by 4 into 100 will go away, so XY by 4 is the profit. So my selling price will be 100y plus X by 4, and then discount, okay, discount is sold price, discount is MP na, market price minus, okay, this is blunder, I always used to do blunder over this place. Blunder, this is wrong. The real discount is discount is calculated what is the market price and how much I have sold. So what is I have given the discount. So this is nothing but 100 y plus xy minus of 100 y plus xy upon 4 divided by, with respect to the market price only itself, plus xy equal to how much? This is again x by 4. So 100 by 100y will be gone. It will be 3xy upon 4 into 100y plus xy equal to x by 4. This 4 will go away. This x will go away. Eventually my equation will look like 3y equal to 100y plus xy. So after this I can say y will cancel away. So eventually my value will be becoming, okay, no, wait, what, 3y equal to 100y plus xy, great. So, or am I did I made mistake somewhere? 3y equal to 100y plus xy. So my value will be becoming something else. So if y will be gone, so x value is minus 97. X value is 97, so it doesn't make sense. It does not make proper sense. Where did I made mistake? So x1 and y1 is 4. So everything is in comparison with article made x% hike, so a hike I have increased, and then selling price is x by 4, profit made, so profit is always compared to the cost price, so I have written the cost price. Then the markup price is in comparison with the markup price, so discount is with the markup price. So 100 plus x by y, 100 y plus x plus y minus of this value 100y went away, so 3x by 4 into 100 by 4 into equal to x by 4, which is the percentage value. So in the I have written in the fractional terms, right? I haven't written in the zero. So 100 will no longer exist over here. X will go away. 3y will be equal to 100y. So x will be equal to 97. So if I see x value is 97, okay. So can I find the value of y? If I know x, can I find the value of y? I don't think so. So it's fine. Let's try to solve and let's see if it's correct answer or not. If the article markup price by x by 2. So now it's saying that markup price is x by 2. So x by 2 is how much? 48.5 minus percentage of minus 48.5 na in, yeah, x value. Now I got the value of x, and what was the thing I took as x as a fractional value. Okay, x has now a fraction value, and discount as x by 6. Discount as x by 6. So my x is 97 upon 6, 96, 16.66, 16 point, wait, 16.1 by 6 is 16 is 96, 1 by 6 is how much? 1 by 3 by 2. Wait, 1 by 6 is again 1.66 only. Yeah, exactly. So 97 divided by 6, 97 divided by 6, yeah, was correct. So discount also I know. So what was the question given? What is the profit percentage? So profit percentage again 100y. So my markup C S M no M MS ms. So my markup price will be again removed 100 minus 100y or minus 48.5. so one thing if I notice also that there is no value fixed, y could be anything. Okay, but let's take only y, and yeah, this will be in terms of this one, so here also y will be kept, so yeah, it doesn't matter in this case I suppose. Yeah, then what is the meaning of finding the value of mark price, because it doesn't going to matter. 5 by 6 is, this will be becoming 80. No, something I have missed. Something is terribly wrong with this answer or solution. Let me think. Where did I made mistake? So first mistake I did was in the discount. Discount is what? Discount is, if I go to the this one, I will say that okay, mark price is 500 and I purchase as 300, so I'll say I have got the discount of 200 on what, 500. Okay, so this is what I got. Okay, let me see the answer and then I will try to find out the solution. Okay, in the solution part again I did a blunder, and the blunder is regarding these values are given in the term of percentage, and here I have actually solved in term of percentage terms, but here I forgot to add percentage, even though I mentioned once that I made a mistake over here, blunder also here. So after this is one more blunder in the same question. It should be over here in 200. So if it is 100, then this will be becoming 300y. So it will be becoming, my x value will be becoming 200, right? My x, because y will be going away, so my mp will be becoming, my mark price, new mark price will be becoming 100, and my discount will be becoming x by 6. So 200 by 2 is 100 by 3 is 33.33%. And then actually I should not have used this. There is one more thing which I have learned earlier, that the profit is the successive multiplication of both. So this will be how much? 100 minus 33.33 into 100 into 33.33 divided by 100. Oh, minus over here, right? So if I solve by this method also, this will go away, and overall I will get 33.33% at the profit for the next question. And in reality I should have, instead of doing all these things, 100 taking 100y, I could have took only 100 also. There was not necessary to take the value y, because all are in the percentage. And then what I could have done is, when the question in the beginning, when to find the answer, it was written in the beginning that the markup price is x percentage, okay, and the discount was x by 4 and the profit was x by 4. So discount was x by 4 and the profit was also x by 4. So it could have been easily done with that process. So my profit will be x markup minus x by 4 plus, actually here x into minus of x by 4 upon 100. This will be, by this method also I could have solved this question. So how much? It will be x by 4 equal to x minus, there will be 3x by 4, okay, then here plus, not plus, it will be minus only, minus x square upon 400. So 4 will go away from everywhere, so this will be 1, only here 100 will be there, x will go away, so eventually it will be, x will be 200 from here also. So this is a mistake I did earlier, the blunder again here in this one. So yeah, this question also solved. The answer of this one is 33.33%. Let's try to solve this question. Ratio of discount upon markup is 1 by 3 and the ratio of profit upon discount is 7 by 5. Find the CP of article and if the SP is the selling price is 79.20. Okay, if the discount percentage is this much, so I can write as na, if my markup is to discount, markup is to discount, markup to discount is 1:3, and here I can say my profit to discount is, my profit to discount is my profit to, oh sorry, here my discount to markup is 1:3, and then my profit 7:5. So I can write as profit is to discount is to markup. I can write as, if I multiply this value with 5, so it will markup, no, yeah, my discount will be becoming how much, 5:15. 5:15, this ratio is becoming 5:15. My discount here is, no, I need to multiply by 7, so 7:21. So I can say that my discount here is 7 and my discount here is 7, right? So no, I am doing same mistake again and again. 5 only, 5:15. So my discount here is 5, the first one discount, and my discount second one is 5. So I can write over here 7:5:15. This will be my profit. So the question is saying that what is the CP what if this is what our profit, discount and markup percentage. So if this is what our this one, so let's think markup. First of all, let's think markup. CMS. So my profit is 7. So my profit, this one is 7. If that my 7 is my profit, then my discount will be 5 less. Discount is 5 and my markup is 15. How can I get a number which satisfied this? And that multiple will give me the profit percentage. Is it percentage? Okay, these are all the percentage value. Percentage value or fraction? It's fine. Percentage also in 100. So in 100, if I take this one is 100, then it will be 100.07. This will be not 100 na. This is the question na. This is the question. No, selling price is 79.20. 79.20. Is it percentage? I think. Wait, let me just understand nicely. So, okay, one thing I remember that the successive of discount and markup is my profit. So let's try to find out and then we will know that what is the multiple. So let's discount and markup, right? So discount and markup is 15. Markup is 15x, and discount is 5x. Markup, discount, and my profit is how much? 7x. So all I need to do is to find the value of that. Will be a plus b plus ab by 100 equal to my profit. So here markup and the discount. So markup is plus, so 15x minus discount is 5x plus of 15 into 5 x square upon 100 equal to 7x. So 10x plus, no, not plus, it will be minus on itself now, because minus because it's a discount. 75 x square upon 100 equal to 7x. So this x will go away. Eventually it will be becoming 3 equal to 75 x upon 100. This will be 3, this will be 4. So my value of x will be 4. So if my value of x is 4, so I can say here it will be 60%. It will be, wait, how come I wrote 60%? 15 x is 4, right? 15 into 4, 60% is 5 into 4, 20%, 7 into 4, 28%. Now to it's easy. Cost price pe na, cost price, on the cost price we got 28% discount. So cost price 28% is profit, 28% profit. So 28% can I find? Let's find 128 x upon 100 will be how much? 17920. 17920. So the value of x will be 17920 into 100 divided by 128. So 128 will be coming 512. So it will be 140. So my x will be 14000 will be my answer of this question. So yeah, this is done nicely, this question.